to turn the screenshot of your room and text description into an IKEA style layout plan like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, select and upload the picture of your room that you want to decorate. Now, for our prompt, it is a pre-made prompt. Feel free to pause the video if you want because it is a long prompt. Because together with our prompt, we have our text description to really visualize what we want in our room. So now let's wait for ChatGPT to generate, and ChatGPT generated our final output. If you could see, ChatGPT really followed our instructions on creating a layout plan fit for our room. Just be remembered to always be specific and concise in writing your prompt so that ChatGPT could never go wrong when generating your image, or in this case, your layout plan. And also make sure that your text description really matches the vibe and the room itself so that the layout plan will fit perfectly into your room. You don't have to worry about a thing. Just follow these steps and ChatGPT will do the rest. Alright, so now you know how to turn a screenshot of a room together with text descriptions into an IKEA style layout plan like this. Watch this playlist to get more image from ideas.